It was a beautiful morning at Peppa's house. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and everyone was ready for a new day.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to play a very special game.
A game. I love games.
It's called the Clean Hands Challenge.
What do we have to do?
I'm putting these colorful stickers on your hands.
But why?
Every time you touch something today, imagine your hands pick up little things we can't always see.
Like these stickers?
Exactly.
That sounds fun.
Peppa and George started their day by touching the door handle, the garden, my book, and the soccer ball.
My hands have so many stickers now. I didn't know I touched so many things. Neither did I.
Wait a moment. You too?
What is it? Did we forget something?
Take a look at your hands.
They're covered in stickers. I almost forgot about the challenge. So what should we do now? Can we eat first?
Before the weathering hands.
But what's the best way to clean them? Just water?
Was water enough, ... or would they need something more? In the next part of the Clean Hands Challenge, Peppa and George will discover why soap can be a superhero for clean hands.
My hands are full of stickers. Mine too. How do we get rid of them?
Let's do a little experiment.
An experiment? I love experiments.
First, let's try using only water.
There, all done. Wait a minute. Some stickers are still there. They didn't all come off. You're right. Water helped a little, but not everything disappeared. So what do we do now?
Now let's add soap.
Soap! The superhero of hand washing.
You could say that. Rub your hands together.
Look at all the bubbles. This is fun.
Keep rubbing.
Fronts of hands, backs of hands, between fingers. They disappeared. Every single one. The soap worked much better.
That's why we use soap when washing our hands.
My hands feel clean now, and they look clean too.
Now you're ready for lunch.
Clean hands first, then yummy food. So we wash our hands before eating. But is that the only time?
In the next part of the Clean Hands Challenge, Peppa and George will discover all the important times we should wash our hands every day.
We washed our hands before lunch, and the soap helped remove all the stickers. So now we know when to wash our hands.
Hi, you!
There's more.
Yes.
George, what comes next? Wash my hands.
That's right.
After using the toilet, we always wash our hands. That was fun. What comes next? Wash our hands. My hands are messy. Mine too. What comes next? Wash our hands.
Whenever our hands get dirty, it's a good time to wash them.
Wait a second. George,
What?
did you wash your hands yet?
Oops. You almost touched your face. I forgot.
Before washing your hands, try not to touch your eyes,
Eyes.
your nose,
Nose.
or your mouth.
Mouth.
Clean hands first.
I didn't know there were so many times to wash our hands. Me neither. But now I remember. Before eating. After the toilet. After playing outside. And after touching messy things.
Peppa and George were becoming real clean hands experts.
I know when to wash my hands now. And I know to use soap.
There's just one more thing to learn.
What is it?
The super fun hand washing dance.
A hand washing dance. That sounds fun.
If we turn hand washing into a dance, it's easier to remember every step.
Let's do it. We're ready.
Step 1.
Palm to palm. Look at all the bubbles. This part is easy.
Step 2.
Back of hands. Don't forget this side. Every part matters.
Step 3.
Between the fingers. There are lots of little spaces here. Not anymore.
Step 4.
Wash the thumbs and the fingertips. Now every finger feels clean. Time to rinse. Bye-bye bubbles.
And don't forget to dry your hands. You learned when to wash your hands?
Does that mean the champion sticker?
And that's how Peppa and George became Clean Hands champions.